everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this makeup look, and I have decided to title it my everyday work makeup look, because for me, I've noticed that when I got to my late 30s, I had started to change the way that I do my makeup when I go to work. Normally my look always used to be completely full glam. That means glitter on the eyes, full eyeshadow, all of that. And then when I really started to get into skincare, I noticed that I was spending a lot longer doing my full face in the morning, so I started to naturally just cut it down. So nowadays, because I obviously still have to do my full skincare routine, if your skin does not look good, your base will not look good, remember that. And then this is the kind of look I generally tend to go for. Now, my mantra is the 3 L's: lips, lashes, and liner. So for me, the base will always be the same in terms of foundation and concealer, but I will always have fake eyelashes on and I'll always have winged eyeliner, because when people look at you, when they talk to you, they generally either focus on your eyes or your lips. So those are the areas that I tend to play up. In all, this makeup takes me 15 minutes in the morning, which is excellent. I find that it makes me look a lot more younger. It makes me look a lot more fresh. It makes me look a lot more awake. But that also means that I tend to only use my eyeshadows at the weekend. So I'm just going to get on with showing you guys how I do this makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I love you all, and I will see you all in the video.